Entrance exam will be held on March 9, 2025 from 8 to 11 a.m. at Iriga Central Schools. Interviews with qualified applicants will be on March 16, 2025 at the same place and time. The top 80 learners in the entrance exam and interview will compose the pioneer class of ICSHS. Bakit nga kailangan natin ang Science High School in Iriga? Iriga City currently has no Science High School. So as you all know, ang meron lang po tayong eskwelahan ngayon is mga regular schools lang po na kung saan meron tayong SPA, SPE, tama ba ako, SPE? So yun lang po ang meron sa atin dito sa Iriga and sa buong Irigonada. Unlike neighboring cities like Naga and Legazpi, some enroll at Philippine Science High School in Goa for specialized STEM education in junior high school and senior high school. Thus, the Iriga City community demands for a science high school to be established. Kasi po, we demand to have a science high school because we do deserve to have one. Kasi di ba, hindi lang naman po tayo magaling sa English, but of course, we are also good in mathematics as well as science. So, we deserve a science high school. Filipino learners are not meeting the expected level of 21st century skills. According to the Network of Education Quality Monitoring in Asia Pacific, or NEQMAP, students are falling short of the expected level in developing 21st century skill as per the curriculum. In International Large Scale Assessment, or ILSA, like the Program for International Assessment, or PISA, the Philippines ranked 77 out of 81. Imagine that. Out of 81 countries, pag 77 tayo, napakababa. Ano po? Scoring approximately 120 points below the average scores of all countries tested. This highlights a significant gap in the attainment of essential skills needed for the 21st century among Filipino students. So, we really do need science high school. Kasi sayang naman yung mga yung talino ng ating mga estudyante pagdating sa mathematics, sa science, and English, Filipino, kung hindi natin makakasa sa science high school. Ano po? And also, science high school will help us develop the 21st century skills we needed. Imagine nyo, 77 tayo out of the 81. Medyo nakakalungkot. Ano po? Pero, if we will be having, tapos halos lahat ng estudyante is kayang makapasok sa science high school, there's still hope for everyone. Each and every one of us na maka 50 man lang, maka 30 man lang sa ranking all over the world. Ano po? Iriga Science High School commits to providing the following essential advantage. Number 1, specialized and advanced curriculum tailored for excellence. ICSHS will provide a specialized curriculum focused on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM, tailored to meet the unique needs of students interested in these fields. The school aims to create an environment conducive to academic growth.